HoOponopono for cold or running nose. Keep your right hand fingers on your nose. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Dear nose, I am sorry for the feeling of irritation. Please forgive me for not taking care of you well. I love you however you are. I love the fact that I look great with you on my face. Thank you for helping me breathe fresh air. Dear nose, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. HoOponopono for fever. Keep your right hand on your heart. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Dear fever, I'm sorry for neglecting you. Please forgive me for taking you for granted. I love you, dear fever. I promise I will take rest. Thank you for gradually recovering. Dear fever, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. HoOponopono for sore throat. Keep your right hand on your throat. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Dear throat, I'm sorry for stressing you so much. Please forgive me for not taking care of you enough but neglecting you. Thank you for helping me breathe in fresh air, swallow food, and produce voice. I love you the way you are. Dear throat, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.